I have a little piece of watermelon. These little knuckleheads are going crazy. I want to talk to Lily. Lily! Serenity will come over here. Come here. Watch, she'll jump for it. Oh my gosh. He landed on his friend's head. Poor guys. I'm sorry. I wanted to give it to Lily. But Lily won't come over here. Serenity might. Hi, Serenity. Are you coming over? Oh my goodness. I'm going to die. That's my chicken. Come here. Come here, Serenity. She wants it so bad. Come on. Come on. Oh my goodness. Serenity. Well, there goes that one. Lily, that one was meant for you, baby. Are you gonna get the puppy? Hi, Lily. Lily, that one was meant for you, sweetheart. Lily, that was meant for you, baby. She comes up to me sometimes. Mama got it. Here's Lily. Hi, Lily. Hi, baby. Come here.
Oh, there's the water.